am really impressed on how easy it is to do the install into this car.
This really couldn't be easier, and fitment in this setup is incredibly simple. There's so much clearance at all places that it's really easy to get this flushed in just perfectly. The pipe here on the passenger side will flush all the way in until it hits a flange. Make sure that the pipes are fit in really well. What you don't want is air gap between this pipe and that pipe. You could have an exhaust leak, but it's easy. It just fits in really nicely. Again, this is set up correctly with the same gap that we had on OEM, so these are nice and tight and good to go.
I'm really impressed on how easy it is to do the install into this car. There's almost no fitment or anything you have to worry about once you get the pipes hung. And I really like the sound improvement here. AWE has done a fantastic job in the improvement and add a little bit of a deeper note, a little bit of a growl to a relatively quiet car. So it's really nice to hear that difference. Now don't forget, everything you need will be listed in the video description below, including the link for the product directly. Thank you so much for watching, and while you're there, please make sure to click like and subscribe. It makes a genuine difference to my channel, and I would truly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.